Hello and welcome back. Will Turner here with another Frazer Sugar Land update. Walking around our future production area right now. Behind me we have the gantry for the paint robots going in. That's being installed today over the next few days. Also up against the walls here in the production area, we have the metal paneling going up. So we have rigid board insulation that goes along all the tilt walls on the exterior walls to get the insulation requirement that we need for the building. And then we have metal paneling going up in front of it to keep that nice and protected once we have production operations going through here. So quite a bit of progress. So I'm about to head upstairs. I know we have some flooring starting to go down upstairs too, so it's really starting to look like an office area. So stay tuned for future updates. We are getting close.